to Western Digital are here at INTERSEC 2022. We've been a partner with INTERSEC for many years now, and this year we are showcasing our new products, which is our UltraStar 20 terabyte hard drive, which is the largest capacity available in the market at the moment. We also have showcased our JBODs and JBOBs, which come in two capacities, the 60 bay and the 102s. And we've also our entire range of storage products which go around security and surveillance. It's a great opportunity to meet our partners, our existing customers, and look for opportunities to growth, whereby we can help people creating, sharing and accessing data in a much better way.